To Charo, Eugenio Lopez III, Cristologo, Michi, and Mrs. of Eugenio, why don't you use fraud to forfeit the donations, which for me is illegal in our law? If the person among you has made a big mistake, don't try to take away the donations. Instead, you should appeal, imprison them, and ask for compensation damages. Total will be able to pay because there are large donations. It's like me, who was innocent in the past 10 years before January 2008 when you accused me of being guilty, even though I was not. You scolded me, retaliated, punished me, and destroyed my work. You decided to make me suffer from everyone's slander and defamation so that I could be easily salvaged. What you did to me is a donation scam because, first of all, you are going to make everyone think that I am the defamer of them all in January 2008, even though you are the defamers. Second, why is it a scam? Because you are going to make my colleagues in the choir and Eagle Star hate me. You are also going to